Windows Virtual Desktop is a Microsoft-provided cloud service that enables centrally managed access to virtual desktops and applications from virtually anywhere in the world. At the same time, customers are able to benefit from cloud economics, existing investments in Microsoft 365, and the ability to provision resources quickly and efficiently. With the recent COVID-19 pandemic, customers are requiring immediate solutions to enable remote working. The Windows Virtual Desktop solution can be provisioned quickly, efficiently and securely to enable this and enable people to get working in a consistent manner that's supportable by an IT function. I think we've seen three core use cases for Windows Virtual Desktop. I think the first is obviously the COVID-19 pandemic and just enabling remote working in general and enabling it quickly. Number two, I think, is effectively reducing burden on VPN and networking technologies. So customers may be set up for remote working using VPN and networking technologies, but what they're now finding is that the solution was only ever really built to cope with 10% of the user base. And now that 90 to 100% of the user base is trying to log on at 9 o'clock on a Monday morning, they're really struggling to cope, and obviously access to hardware is very difficult given the circumstances. So using a cloud technology to get around this is proving really valuable. And I think the third is fundamentally a consistent experience. Going back to the point where it's difficult to get hardware at the minute, how do you effectively provide a consistent experience where some users may be using their home tablet, others may be using a corporate laptop? How do you give them a consistent access experience across applications so IT can support them properly? And Windows Virtual Desktop's a key enabler for that. ANS have been working closely with Microsoft to make sure that we can provision this service into production for our users within a matter of days, not weeks. We've effectively created an industrialised process which fundamentally enables us to work quite autonomously in a very pragmatic way to get the solution up and running. From there, we can start testing with the users and building out on the capability over time. That gives them something to use from day one, but over days 5, 10, 15 and 20, something that's far more accustomed to their ways of working and their preferences and needs.